Today, we're diving into an interesting matchup, the Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3, a European winter tire, versus the Michelin CrossClimate 2, the all-season powerhouse with 3-peak mountain certification. Can an all-season tire like the CrossClimate 2 hold its ground against a winter specialist? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3 set as the reference point at 100%. First, let's tackle wet conditions. In wet braking, the CrossClimate 2 edges out the UltraGrip by a mere 0.2 meters, stopping just slightly sooner. But for wet handling, the UltraGrip takes control, clocking a 1.5 km/h advantage over the CrossClimate. Even in straight-line aquaplaning, Goodyear's winter-focused design prevails, allowing safer handling at 2.2 km/h higher speeds. So, in rainy weather, the UltraGrip Performance 3 has a slight edge. Now on to snow. As expected, the winter tire shines here. In snow braking, the UltraGrip outpaces the CrossClimate by nearly 2 meters. Snow traction and handling also favor Goodyear's winter specialist, holding a lead in pulling force and 1.6 km/h faster snow handling speed. This difference is key if you're regularly dealing with snowy conditions. But what about dry roads? Here, the CrossClimate 2 dominates. It stops a full 6.2 meters shorter in dry braking and handles with a 1.6 km/h speed advantage. Clearly, the all-season CrossClimate 2 has the upper hand for a year-round performance. In terms of noise, both tires are neck and neck with just a 0.2 decibels difference, barely noticeable. But in rolling resistance, the CrossClimate 2 shows its efficiency with a 0.8 lower rolling resistance coefficient value, which could mean better fuel economy in the long run. So, what's the takeaway? The Michelin CrossClimate 2 is an ideal choice if you're looking for all-season reliability, as it excels in dry and rolling resistance while matching in wet and having a respectable snow performance. On the other hand, the Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3 takes the lead in snow performances, which comes in handy if you're facing tougher winter conditions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.